Hi Disnerds, Drew here. This video is a full POV ride-through of Pirates of the Caribbean in the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video to see some rare close-up footage of the infamous redhead animatronic before she was transformed into the swashbuckling pirate we see today. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be great if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. Pirates of the Caribbean is a dark ride that first opened at Disneyland in 1967 and later at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in 1973. There are also versions of the ride at Tokyo Disneyland, Disneyland Park at Disneyland Paris, and Shanghai Disneyland. The ride gave rise to the now famous song Yo Ho, Yo Ho, A Pirate's Life for Me, written by George Bruns and Xavier Atencio, and performed on the ride's recording by the Mellow Men. The ride was also the basis for the Pirates of the Caribbean film series, which debuted in 2003. Here at Magic Kingdom, the ride is guarded by the Caribbean watchtower Torre del Sol and housed in a golden Spanish fort called Castillo del Moro. The ride's queue winds through the fort and features two paths, each designed to evoke a different atmosphere. One is the soldier side, the left, and the other is the pirate side, the right, which is now the lightning lane queue. Both these queues converge at the loading area, known as Pirates Cove. This ride has been updated many times over the years to do away with cringe-worthy depictions of the treatment of women and also to bring the ride more in line with the Pirates of the Caribbean films. Notably, in 2018, Disney changed the auction scene in which the town's women, including a scarlet-clothed redhead damsel, were being auctioned off to the pirates. Instead, the new scene depicts the redhead as a pirate helping the auctioneer sell off loot acquired from the townspeople. Have you ever ridden Pirates of the Caribbean in Orlando? Who's your favorite pirate on the ride? Let me know in the comments. Now, grab your sword, climb aboard, and enjoy this POV full ride-through of Pirates of the Caribbean at Magic Kingdom.
For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch the children, and no flash pictures. Prepare to make sail. Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos y pies.
Can I wait for the front?
Sure. Just wait for the next boat for me.
Thank you.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show them your flock.
It's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it, nor this here key.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Now, as promised, check out this great close-up footage of the redhead animatronic from the Pirates of the Caribbean auction scene, as she existed before the 2018 update that transformed her into a pirate. This video was posted by one of our all-time favorite Disney YouTubers, Disney Dan. If you're not familiar with Disney Dan, definitely go check out his channel. There is a link in the description. And thanks so much again for watching.